The machine is a creature of science and technology. Like all the objects in the world, such as mountains, lakes, and trees. From the day of its coming into being, it is like a wheel which will move forward and will be accompanied by human society. In the field of machinery, the products with vitality have been practicing Darwin's theory of evolution of the survival of the fittest. They have higher efficiency, more reliable and stable properties, lower cost, and more powerful function. In the past 30 years, DYZV has been committed to becoming the connection between the machine and the life, manufacturing bearings with vitality, so as to let DYZV become the solemn commitment to customers. Producing life-giving bearings depends on our continuous innovations and rich experiences. Innovations has always been the DNA of our business growth, which is integrated in every aspect of the life cycle of products. From R&D to testing experiments, each link has been endowed the mission of innovation. First of all, from the beginning of R&D, DYZV will fully identify the customer's demands. The customer's demands will be an important input condition, which will be penetrated into every step of the design. From simulation calculation to main parameter optimization, each step determines the performance of the product as well as the fatigue life. Facing the special demands of the industry and the harsh environments, DYZV treats each step carefully, from the selection of material to structural design and to process certification, continuously transmitting the penetrating vitality of products to customers. DYZV has been building its own digital factory and enhancing each manufacturing detail with advanced awareness and leading technology, so that every design detail of the products can get process certification. Through process certification, the reliability and stability of products can be achieved, so that the bearing can be applied to the severe conditions such as high temperature, dust, corrosion, dryness, and cold. So far, DYZV has completed the new production line layout by means of improving the numerical control and automation level of the equipment. DYZV applies advanced manufacturing technology to all products to ensure that each product produced by DYZV can achieve its excellent performance and bring perfect experience to customers. DYZV aims to become the most trustable partner through the whole world. The extension of vitality is not only reflected in the manufacturing process. SPC quality control runs through the entire production line, from raw materials to semi-finished products, from semi-finished products to finished products. DYZV has been paying attention to every detail. In the factories, the information technology is applied to all aspects of control, from the Enterprise Resource Planning System (ERP) to the Workshop Intelligent Manufacturing System (MES), and to the Product Lifecycle Management System (PLM). Therefore, the digital application is everywhere. Both the detection means and the test plan are perfectly presented and perfectly integrate machine, people, and the system, making DYZV become the industry-leading technology pioneers. The products carry the personality of DYZV people. All types of bearings are gestating the beginnings of a life, serving in the machinery of metallurgy, petroleum, mining, board, cement, wind turbines industry, which have left their footprints everywhere. If you think this is the end of the life journey of bearings, then you are wrong. As a matter of fact, their stories have just begun. DYZV has been dedicated to offering world-class bearings to domestic and overseas customers. As an excellent service provider of bearings, DYZV not only provides products for customers, but also, more importantly, conducts the interconnection of services, from the demand planning to demand perception and predictive services. DYZV has always adhered to the principle that it comes together with customers, continuously innovates and explores the industry technology so as to provide the best solution for customers. What will be the world be like in the future? We will be always exploring the meaning behind the life. Let every connection between operation and the world be rebuilt continuously. DYZV will work together to explore the unknown yet and arrive in the new world again and again.